The SoftLedger crypto module is meant to take all crypto transactional information and convert it into journal entry. It specifically identifies each transaction and adds the relevant information based on the transaction type from all the fields available here. You can choose up to 3 coins per transaction if it's a trade that has a sent coin, a received coin, and a fee coin. And all the transactional detail comes to create journal entries such as this. This is a simple deposit of Ethereum that hits the Ethereum asset account and a cash ledger account. The accounting impact here comes through to reporting, such as your balance sheet or income statement. You can use any asset and transactions in the crypto module, whether that's an exchange traded asset like Bitcoin or a custom coin that's either a second representation of an exchange traded coin like Bitcoin customer holdings, or just a custom asset that's not exchange traded that you'd like to specifically track. This view serves as the treasury management of the crypto module. This is showing you as of October 18th, the market rate, quantity, value, the cost basis, and the unrealized gain or loss amounts for each of these assets across your entire system. I could adjust this back to the end of last month if I want to see the amounts as of that date, and mark to market from the values on the screen if needed. I can click into the coin detail page here to see the split amounts between SoftLedger wallets of this asset. And similarly, I can click into a wallet itself to see all the assets that are held within that wallet with those same columns represented.